Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this type of stitches, this pattern. This pattern we can use for anything also, okay, like water bottle holder, like a tabletop, like strap, anything we can do with this. Okay, now I'll show you how to do it. 18 chain, we do 18 chain. Okay, we add up 3 more chain for 1 double crochet. Okay, we skip that 3 chain, then we are going to make 1 double crochet in next 2 chain, then 1 chain, skip 1 chain, then we are going to make 1 double crochet in 3 chain, this is a block pattern. Okay, skip 1 chain, then we make 3 again. Okay, we complete here, got 5 blocks. We are going to repeat this because we are going to use each color 2 rows, 3 chain, then we are going to repeat as the first row. Okay, this pattern is for beginners. One chain, 3 double crochet, 1 chain. I'm going to repeat this. So we are complete with this color. If you all feel like continue with the color, next color, no need to cut the yarn, so can, or you cut the yarn, looks neat. If you cut the yarn, it will look neat like that. Okay, I'm cutting it. Now we are going to continue with next color. See, I pull in the next color. So now tie it up. Then I'm going to make 3 chain. Okay, 3 chain. Then I'm going to make extra 1 chain. Then I'm going to make skip 1 stitch. Then here I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Okay, here in this chain space here, I'm going to make 1 long double crochet. See, like this, long double crochet. Then in the next stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet. Can you see this? Here at the end here, 3 chain equal to 1 double crochet, 1 chain for the space, and 1 double crochet. On skip 1 double crochet, we make 1 double crochet next, then 1 long double crochet in the first row. we make it from the first row. Okay, now one chain. We are going to skip one double crochet. We are going to make one double crochet in the next. Then we are going to make one long double crochet in the next. And we are going to make one double crochet. So complete another one like this. See, look nice. One chain. Then we are going to repeat this again. Then one double crochet. One long double crochet. Then one double crochet, one chain, then skip one, in the last one double crochet. Then we are going to climb over 2 3. Okay, we are going to make 3, then we are going to make one extra chain for the space, then we are going to make the 3 double crochet here. But this one we are making just block stitch. You can do water bottle, you can do bedspread, many things you can do with this pattern. Even a bag also you can do, but if you do bag, you need to put lining. Okay, now we are going to change color. At the end, don't complete it, just pull in like this. Okay, then 3 chain. Now I'm going to cut off the blue one because I don't want to look mess like that. This one cut off. Okay, now we are going to do next row, 3 chain, then we are going to make one long double crochet, then we are going to make one double crochet in the next. See, now this pattern comes here, then we are going to make one chain, then we are going to make here one double crochet. I'm hiding this tail all inside. Okay, long double crochet and one double crochet, and here one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one, skip one, then we are going to make one long double crochet, one double crochet, one chain, skip one, one double crochet over here, and one long double crochet in the chain space from this row, third row. Okay, again skip one chain, then one long double crochet here in the end, and in the start it will be a bit confusing for this row, so make sure, just now we did 3 chain here, isn't it? In the 3 chain we are going to make one double crochet on the third chain. Okay, like this. Okay, now we are going to make 3 chain, then we are going to double crochet in the next, and the next we are going to make the block stitch. One chain, 3 double crochet here, skip one, chain here, chain, skip the chain, okay, skip the chain, one chain, 3 double crochet, okay, like this. You can see, so these 2 rows we are repeating. The only thing, when we are repeating, you see it will move here for the pink from this side coming, but the blue is coming in from here. We got 3 chain plus 1 chain, but for the pink we don't have gap here in the end. Then now when we are doing the next row, we just change the color. Okay, okay, see, looks so nice. I hope that you all will give a try also. Okay, please subscribe, share and give a thumbs up. Thank you.